Namaskar. On the occasion of World Cancer Day, I wish you all. Today we have with us brilliant, noted icon of our country, singer Zubeen Garg. On this occasion, he is here to sing a song for us, for all the brave fighters for battling cancer, and all those people who are with them in this hour of need. I would just like to say one thing, ladies and gentlemen. Cancer se daro mat, cancer se lado. Cancer patients don't need our pity. They only need our love and our feelings for them. That is all they require. Give them a hand of support, and that is what is actually required today. Thank you very much. Zubeen.
Hello, I'm with our Deputy Commissioner Devashish Sharma, who's fighting against cancer and helping the patients all his life. And my best wishes to all the patients and all the fighters who are fighting against cancer. And we should fight and we should win this battle. So, in the occasion of World Cancer Day, I convey my regards and best wishes to all of you.
Thank you
very much.
We'll sing a number, age-old number, Bhupenda's Manuhe Manuhar Babe.
Manuhe Manuhar Babe, Jodi hai okolo na bhabe, Kohanubhuti re, Abhi bakule nukuba. Harmonia, Manuhe Manuhar Babe, Jodi hai okolo na bhabe, Kohanubhuti re, Abhi bakule nukuba. Harmonia, Manuhe Manuhar Babe. Manuhe Manuhar besi bokuji, Manuhe Manuhar kini bokuji, Manuhe Manuhar besi bokuji, Manuhe Manuhar kini bokuji. Puroni itihas duharile, janu no hukuma, Harmonia, Manuhe Manuhar Lajpa bakune